Hi, I'm Barbara. I'm new to Forex. I got interested in it when my sister, she posted something about it on Facebook, and I saw that, and I went on YouTube and started getting piece by piece and just learn a little bit of here and a little bit of that. So if this ain't working, I need an instructor. I need to be in a school where they can really break it down as if they're just taking my hand and walking me through it. And so I just searched and searched, and I was led to Saad Ali at the Forex Beginner Academy. And I just I looked at some of his courses and the martial that he offered. This is what I need. I need detail. I need someone to hold my hand. And so he has offered 31 free lessons. They are designed just remarkably. And yes, if you need someone to hold your hand, then these courses are the courses for you. They're filled with so much knowledge and insight and wisdom. That's what I need, because I need some understanding, and I got full of understanding. So I thank you, Saad Ali, for just following your purpose in life and want to give back to us, and just taking the time and the patience to put these together. They was put together as if they was designed just for me. So I just want to thank you, because they was put together for this, I'm saying, a season. And this was the season for me. And the reason that they was put together. So I just want to say thank you, because you taught me a whole lot, got a whole lot of knowledge on the chart analysis, market structure, drawing trend lines, Fibonacci, chart analysis. I mean, it just take you through the work. You were talking about the mindset, training on TradingView, training on Mega Trader 4. He even guides you to install your broker's account, TradingView. I mean, he has the full works. So it's just really a blessing, and I would just advise anyone that you're searching for a course that's in detail, then Forex Beginner Academy is the course for you. For it has been truly a blessing to me. I'm going back over some courses, because it's just so much knowledge, and it just fills me, and it's just can't get enough of it. So I just thank you, Saad Ali. Again, thank you, and God bless you, and may you receive many more reviews. And I just pray that your academy will just rise to the top, and just be one of the top academy that folks come to, that they just are directed to. So God bless you again, and thank you for just all the knowledge, and just caused me to have more confidence now to just enter that Forex market with knowledge. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.